In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border around a text box in Canva. Even though Canva's text boxes don't have a built-in border feature, there's a simple workaround that looks clean and professional. Follow along, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get a crisp outline around any text without fuss. Start by adding a shape element. Open the Elements panel and choose a basic rectangle or a rounded rectangle, depending on the look you're going for. Place that shape roughly where your text is. Don't worry about perfect alignment yet. We'll fine-tune it in a moment. Next, remove the fill color so the shape doesn't cover your text. Click the shape to select it, then click its color tile. Set the fill to no color or transparent. At this point, the inside of the shape should be see-through, which means your text will remain fully visible even if the shape sits on top of it. With the shape still selected, adjust the border itself using the stroke settings. Click the stroke or border style control and choose the look you want. A solid line for a classic frame, a dashed line for something more playful, or a dotted line for a subtle, lightweight edge. Then adjust the stroke weight to set how thick the border should appear. Thinner strokes tend to look elegant for body text, while thicker strokes can help titles stand out. Make small changes and glance at your design as you go, so you land on a weight that complements your typography. Now, size and position the shape to match your text box. Drag the corner and side handles so the border follows the edges of your text. Aim for even spacing on all sides to create comfortable padding around the words. If you want more precision, zoom in a bit while you nudge the handles. Canva's smart guides will help the shape snap into place, keeping things lined up cleanly. Once the shape fits perfectly around the text, you're done. You've effectively created a border for your text box using a transparent filled shape with a visible stroke. If you change your text later, just tweak the shape size and stroke weight again to keep everything balanced. This quick technique is flexible, easy to repeat, and works across headings, captions, and callouts. And that's it. The fastest, cleanest way to add a border around a text box in Canva without any special tools.